Hey guys, yes, as you guys already know, I like to basically acquire assets such as gold, got some silver, and I even like, to have some silver certificates, you know, and I like Bitcoin as well and other cryptocurrency. Well, I wanted to pop on here real quick because I really wanted to take a poll. Something came across my desk and I thought it would be an interesting conversation to have. So before I actually get started, I actually wanted to make sure I remind you guys that the special giveaway that's taking place. And with the special giveaway, I'm giving away Bitcoin, silver, and Visa prepaid gift cards. So every time we reach 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, 4,000 subscribers, every time we reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be 3 winners. And all you have to do is email me at garyejo@yahoo.com. That's garyejo@yahoo.com and type I am subscribed. And that goes for people who's already subscribed. If you haven't emailed me yet and typed I am subscribed, you're not officially entered to win the Bitcoin, the silver, or the prepaid Visa gift cards. And there'll be 3 winners every time we reach 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you enter to win. And if you're a new visitor and you're coming across this for the first time, make sure that you subscribe and you send me a quick email, let me know that you subscribe. So, I basically, guys, I had this question, on my mind, and I wanted to know what you guys think. I was in my Quicksilver back office, which I'll show you right now. Let me go over to there real quick. And we're going to go to Auto Save Silver. On autosavesilver.com. All right. And autosavesilver.com, you'll come to the Quicksilver website. I'm going to log in. And when I logged in, I see that, I now have, $800 available in my back office. I have $800 worth of commissions. And for those who don't know what Quicksilver is, let me just really quickly here. Quicksilver is a place that you can go and you can acquire silver bullion, 0.999 silver bullion, right? And what I like about Quicksilver is first and foremost is in their name, quick. They deliver their silver quickly to your front door and within a week's time of you placing an order. So you could go to the member shop and you can see all different types of silver bullion coins that you can purchase. And they even have the silver eagles. Yes, they have the American silver eagles. So you could come here, and what's unique about them is if you become a preferred customer, and how you would become a preferred customer is you would go to the get started area off the homepage, and you would basically choose to become a preferred customer. Let's see. And then you can actually get a discount on your silver, as a preferred customer. All they require is that you at least save 1 coin a month. one silver bullion coin a month, and you can basically get a preferred customer discount through Quicksilver. So I like them because they quick with the delivery. I like them because you can get a discount. And also, they allow for you to refer other people to acquire silver at their leisure, and they'll pay you a commission. I don't mind receiving a commission because I refer people to all types of things like the movies or to restaurants, and I don't get paid for it. But if I can show people how they can save silver, acquire silver, and have it delivered quickly, Quicksilver compensates me for that. So, I have accumulated, well over $800 in referral fees through Quicksilver. But I'm looking at my back office and I'm like, what should I do? What should I do with this $800? Okay. My question is, what would you do with this $800? Now, if you had the choice between gold, silver, and cryptocurrency, what would you do? Because you guys know that's what I'm into, gold, silver, and cryptocurrency. What percentage would you give to each? What percentage to gold? What percentage to silver? And what percentage to Bitcoin? Great question, right? How would you divide it up? Where's your interest at right now? And I know there's people out there wondering, what would they do? Well, the way I look at it and the way I would break it down, guys, is if I was just comparing, say, Bitcoin to silver, I know that I would do 75% Bitcoin and 25% silver. Because right now, we know Bitcoin has the potential of skyrocketing and has the ability to go the furthest, amongst all of the different currencies, and precious metal values. So I would basically do 75% Bitcoin and 25% silver. What's your thoughts? Comment in the section below. I would like to know. Now, if I was comparing just that amounts to $600 and $200 a piece, if you look at the numbers, if I was comparing just Bitcoin to gold, I favor Bitcoin right now, and I would do 75% Bitcoin and 25% gold. That also amounts to $600 worth of Bitcoin, $200 worth of gold with my $800. And next to last, if I was comparing gold to silver, again, I would do the same thing. I would do a 75% gold to 25% silver ratio. Because some things that you want to factor and some things you got to take in consideration, guys, is that, risk versus reward. I really favor, high risk right now, high risk, high reward. With Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is in the 10,000s at this current point in time. It dropped about $2,000 in value. And right now they say that it's in consolidation, it's trying to figure out, is it going to go up or is it going to go down? We don't know. It could go down to 9 something. Some people say it could go down to 7,000 or 600. We don't know. But it's like in a consolidation period and it's hovering around 10,000. It dropped from 12 to 11 and it's been staying around 10,000. But from past history, we know that Bitcoin had went all the way up to $20,000. We also know that recently there was a halving of Bitcoin in May of this year. And Bitcoin has a 4-year cycle, right? And in that 4-year cycle, around about the 1.5 to 2 years, it has reached its highest point each time it had a halving and go through the 4-year cycle. So with that in mind, your investment into Bitcoin could be huge, if you just hold on to it. So I'm a fan of acquiring as much Bitcoin as possible. So if I was comparing Bitcoin to gold, I would do 75% Bitcoin, 25% gold. If I was doing Bitcoin to silver, I would do the same thing. And gold versus silver, I would do 75% gold, 25% silver. So what is your thoughts? What would you do? You know, if you had to decide between Bitcoin, gold, and silver, where would you put your percentages at for each, you know, using $800? With that being said, you know, if I go back over to comparing all three, now that I've broken down 2 by 2, what I would do is I would say, all right, I would use that, take that $800 number, right? I would take that $800 number and I would multiply it by 75%. And out of that 75%, I get the number 600 because I already know I favor gold and Bitcoin over silver at 75%. So I would say, well, what's 75% of 800? 75% of 800 is 600, right? So therefore, I would basically say, okay, I want to take that $600 number and I want to do 75% of that and give that to Bitcoin. Well, 75% of that 600 is $450. So $450 of my $800 will go to Bitcoin. Then I would have to see how much I have left. So I would subtract the $450 that I would spend on Bitcoin out of the $800 and will be left with $350. Then what I would do is I would take 75% of the $350 and use that towards gold, which would equate to $262.50 worth of gold, which would be around 4 grams of gold. And then what's ever left, I would give it to silver and wound up with it should be ounces of silver. So that would be my investment strategy. Out of the $800, I would do $450 to Bitcoin, $262 to gold, and $87 to silver. That will be my investment strategy. What will be yours? You know, I'm curious to know. I'm taking a poll. You know, I want to know if you guys differ in opinion. You know, what would your strategy be like? You know, this is a time where everybody is investing. There's all different types of opportunities out there. But my focus is on gold, silver, and cryptocurrency, and primarily Bitcoin. You know, they say gold and silver are safe haven assets because they kind of like store their value and save, you know, maintain their value, if not appreciate in value for the most part, even though there have been some highs and lows, but there's always been an upward trend, you know. So I continuously stack, you know, silver and gold. You know, I have plenty of this, you know, all stacked. We got some, you know, maple leaves, you know, we got the year of the rat, and so on and so forth. I have plenty of these items. So, you know, it's all about risk versus reward. And some people even say, hey, you know, well, when you come down to it, you can't really buy something with gold if we was in an emergency situation, but you could buy something with silver. You can easily exchange silver for gold. So people thinking about, you know, the ability to exchange it, you know, for fiat currency or for bartering for goods and services. And since you can acquire silver at a less amount, some people would favor buying a lot of silver, you know, for that purpose. So what is your thoughts? What do you plan on doing? If you had $800 and you had to distribute it among silver, gold, and Bitcoin, how would you distribute it? You know, those are my thoughts. That's my strategy. I'm asking for your help and I'm taking a poll. And, you know, I would like to know what your response be. Also, as I shared before, don't forget to enter to win some silver, some Bitcoin, and a prepaid MasterCard every time we reach 1,000 subscribers. Be sure to email me at garyejo@yahoo.com. That's garyejo@yahoo.com and type I am subscribed. And you will be entered to win some Bitcoin, silver, and prepaid MasterCard. And that will be for 3 lucky winners every time we reach 1,000 subscribers. So guys, that's my time for today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, take care of yourself, each other. I look forward to your comments in the bottom. I will respond to them, and it'll be good food for thought. Hopefully this was helpful for those of you guys who just trying to decide on which you would do as well. All right, take care. Bye-bye.